student, I'm Veena Dikshit. Please subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel, and if you like my video. Here I have written three amino acids, and they are linked with each other, so we are getting 3 peptides. Here only this 1 peptide, 2 peptide, 3 peptide, 4 peptide. All these are tripeptide. I have given you tripeptide. How many set? 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है, each are tripeptide 1, 2, 3. Now in case of alaglyphi, this is alanine, glycine, phenylalanine. So first of all you should know what is alanine. So alanine, in case of alanine, this R is CH3. Okay, in case of phenylalanine, CH2PH will be there. This is benzene ring. And in case of glycine, there will be CH2 NH2 COH is glycine. Okay, alanine, I told you that R is CH3, phenylalanine CH2PH, and this valine is, in this case of valine, it will be isopropyl group. R is isopropyl group. Clear to you? Now we'll go. Suppose ala is first, so this N terminal will be free, and rest here amide linkage. Then put all this NH-CH2. This is amide linkage CH2CONH, and then CH2PH. This is phenyl. Phenyl is in the middle, and phenyl is in the terminal, and here COO group is the carbon terminus free, or carbon. I will write down carbon. In some books it is written carbon terminal free. In some books it is written residue. So you select from your university what is there. Okay, now here phenylalanine glycine. This is one tripeptide. So phenylalanine CH2 PH is in here. NH3 N terminal is free. And here then this is amide linkage CONH CH3. This is from alanine, and then NH-CH2 glycine COO. So glycine part COO terminus, C terminus is free, and here in phenylalanine this NH2 terminal is free. Now here see phenylalanine. So phenylalanine, I have written CH2PH here R, and here NH3 terminus free, residue, then amide linkage, and then this valine is at the last. So here isopropyl group, and this CO terminus is free. In last, see here, this is valine free life. So here isopropyl grouping is here, and N terminus is free, CONH amide linkage, then phenylalanine is coming. So all of them are forming amide. 2 amide linkage are there, and 3 amino acids. So that is why we call it tripeptide. And here this C terminal is free. This is for glycine. I think everything is clear to you. Whatever is coming in the last, it's a C terminal is free. What is coming in the first, its N terminal is free. Clear? N terminal residue.